How to recall mail in Outlook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to recall mail in Outlook. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch any web browser and click on search bar. Type in outlook.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you have logged into Outlook Mail. Now go to same item at left side and now click on particular mail which you want to recall. Suppose if this is a mail that you wish to recall, at top right you can easily see move to. You need to click on this icon. On this menu, you simply need to search for a recall option. In case if you don't see it, you can easily click on the three dots at top right corner of this particular message and then select the recall this message option if you have got any. If the option is available, your email will be recalled. And that's how you can easily recall email in Outlook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.